This is one of the simplest ways you can make money online today through the use of CPA marketing. And not only is it ridiculously easy, but it also works worldwide to top it all off. So, no matter if you're from India or perhaps some country in Europe like Germany, this will work for you and you'll be able to set this up yourself, especially since I will walk you through the entire process step by step. And for that very reason, you want to keep watching this video. With that said, let's now get right into this tutorial. Today, guys, I have a very simple one for you, as I said before. Not that many platforms are involved, and it's not too complex, so you can very easily set this up within like 20 minutes or even less. The very first website you want to go over to won't be a surprise. You want to head over to a CPA marketplace. And here, as always, you can go with any site you want. The one I'd recommend, though, is offervault.com. But once again, all that matters is that you head over to a CPA marketplace, whichever one that may be. Now, for those of you who don't know what a CPA marketplace is and what the difference is between websites like OfferVault and Digistore24, for example, on websites like OfferVault, you can find offers to promote that just require signups for you to get paid. As I'm sure you know, if you promote something from ClickBank, for example, you need a purchase in order to make money. In this case, though, all that you need is people to sign up to a website, or in certain cases, install some app, and you get paid for it as easy as that. This, in my opinion, makes CPA marketing ideal for beginners. After all, it's much easier to get people to sign up to something rather than pay for something, and that is what makes this strategy so simple, easy, and straightforward. Anyhow, with that brief explanation out of the way, what I need you to do is come over to either OfferVault or some other website and then sign up free of charge. To do it on OfferVault, all I have to do is just click on the register button right here and then type in a bunch of my info, as is always the case. The actual sign-up process I don't want to go over since it's really easy, so instead I want to focus on the next step, actually finding what you want to promote. And here, what matters is that you find some offer that a lot of people might be interested in, and if you can, find an offer that would, in a certain way, help people. The reason you want to do this is so you can get more people to click on your link and actually sign up. If what you are promoting is beneficial to someone somehow, then the chances of them signing up will skyrocket, making you more money as a result. So this is quite important. In case you're a bit lost and you really have no idea what offer to search for, a fantastic offer I've always recommended in the past that you can promote and that would benefit people is a gift card giveaway. So just type in gift card in the search box here and you'd be able to find a ton of these. And by the way, it doesn't matter what gift card or how much money it can make someone. All that matters is that it's a gift card giveaway, since there's no better benefit for people to get out of your offer than money. So promoting something like this is sure to get you much more clicks than most other offers out there. So what you now want to do, guys, is basically find an offer that pays the most money or offers the gift card that pays the most, which could get even more people to sign up, and you want to open up that offer in particular. Next, you want to grab the affiliate link. To do that, you first want to click on Run Offer right over here, and this part might annoy some of you, but for some reason, in order to grab the affiliate link, you have to sign up to the external website that is actually running the offer and grab your affiliate link there. But nonetheless, it shouldn't take you that long anyway. With all that done, though, now that you have the affiliate link, the next step is to actually drive traffic to it. And I have a way for you to do so that might surprise some of you and that I'm sure you've never seen before. So let's get started. Your very first step now would be to sign up to a website that will be very important in this strategy, one called lumen5.com. What this website is all about, you can see right here. It's basically an AI bot that will create videos for you. So don't worry, guys, you won't be uploading any videos on YouTube whatsoever. Before we proceed, what's worth noting about this platform is that it's actually a free website. It, of course, has some pricing plans, but as you can see, they also have a free option right here. So you can most definitely sign up to the website without investing any money, which is what I want you to do right now. Just click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner here and then type in all of your info as usual. When you log into your new account on the website, this is how everything will now look. You'll now be able to create a video with this website, and all you need for that is a script. So your next step from here is to obtain it. And I know this all might sound confusing, but just stay with me and you'll see how this all works, I promise. To find the script for your new video, what you have to do now is find articles in the same category as the offer you are promoting. In my particular example, I went for an offer that pays people money, so the niche I would want to focus on would be around business, making money online, or so on. But this might differ for some of you if you decided to promote something different, of course. Your next step now is to simply open up a bunch of articles, quickly read through them, and choose one that you want to use that you think is the best. For the sake of this tutorial, I just opened up this one right here. Now that you've found the article, your next step is to rewrite it, since you cannot use it as a script over on Lumen 5 just yet. To do that automatically without having to bother with it, you can just use this tool here called paraphraser.io. Paste bits of the article into this box, and it will then rewrite them for you within seconds. You'll now have a ready script that you can use over on Lumen 5 to create your new video. And so now just go back to this website, paste your script in this box, and this site will generate a done-for-you video that you will want to invest a bit of time into customizing. This might take you some time, but you do want to make sure you don't get lazy. Make sure that your video is as good as you can possibly make it. The better the video, the more money you'll be able to make ultimately. When you are done creating your new video, your next step is to sign up to 2 websites that will actually be using as traffic sources to make money online. The first of which is called Odyssey.com, and the second one is Rumble.com. As you can see by the looks of these 2 platforms, they're very similar to YouTube. The huge difference, though, and also the reason why you want to use them over YouTube, is that they are not as saturated. On YouTube, you literally have millions of creators that you have to compete with, which makes growing on the platform incredibly difficult. So your new video on YouTube will hardly get any views. Meanwhile, on these 2 sites, it has the potential to actually get big numbers. In case you think these 2 sites aren't popular or whatever, you could go over to similarweb.com to check the number of visits of these 2 websites. As you can see for both platforms, it's in the millions, so they do definitely get big numbers of visits, but the number of creators is pretty low, and that makes them ideal for beginners. So, as I said, what you now have to do is simply upload your video here, and then what you have to do is leave the affiliate link in the description that you got all the way back in the beginning, and I think you can all now see how and why this will make you money. In my example, imagine if someone who wants to make money online is watching my video. Then they see I have a gift card giveaway in the description. There's a huge chance that person will want to sign up to the giveaway, thus make me money. And for this very reason, this has huge potential to get you paid big time. Furthermore, once your video goes live on the website, you won't have anything to do in order to make money online by doing basically nothing. What you can do once the giveaway concludes is basically repeat the same process with another giveaway or a different offer and just keep doing this over and over to literally make thousands of dollars online in passive income. If you all enjoyed today's video and you learned something new, then support me and this channel with a like down below. And in case you want to check out some of my other videos, don't forget to check out the 2 that'll pop up in a second. Since I upload new videos on here daily, make sure you all subscribe and tick the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever a new video of mine has gone live. As always, thank you for watching and see you in some of the upcoming videos.